amigos, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to Manuel Antonio National Park. I want to eat first. It takes 30 minutes to come here from Capos and it costs us 335 colones. The park has a new regulation. You are not allowed to bring food into the park, but you can bring water, soda or juice. That's why I need to eat first because the ticket costs us $18. I booked a guided tour at around 7:30, something like that. And after that, I would like to stay in the park and then visit the beach. If you just want to visit the park, maybe you can consider those like all-inclusive tour, which includes like entrance, guided tour, and transportation. It's around $59. You can find it on Airbnb. For just a tour guide from 2 hours to 3 hours, it costs us around $25 to $30. If you take a bus, just get off at the last stop and then walk the halfway for around 5 minutes. I have this super big breakfast with rice and beans, eggs, pancake, toast and fruit, and black tea. Tickets can only be purchased online and you need to provide your passport number. So when you come to the park, you need to bring along the passport with you. But my tour guide said that I can just bring a digital copy. That's the park entrance, and if you already booked the guide, they will be waiting for you here. And right next to the park, there's also a restaurant. Es Coco? Make sure your tour guide has one of these, because we need to find the animals. After we enter, we need to check the temperature first and then wash hands. Then we need to check our bags there to see if we got any food. Last stop, check our ticket, but they didn't ask for my passport. What's the name of it?
A monkey brush. Peine de mico.
So you use it to brush the hair.
Brush the hair because there's some medicinal properties that will make the hair nice and shiny.
They're quite soft.
It's like the texture for brushing the toilet.
Saying how do you?
Wow!
It brushes
Instantly.
well. Get the top.
Yeah, they're hanging. They're hanging
Oh, this is the glass frog.
there. Glass frog.
Is it in this tree right here, this one?
Yes, Quinton, but it's just like a little bit. They're actually all jelly. You can see them look like a water drop hanging from that leaf. Did you see it? Green tree and all.
Green tree and all.
Green, like the color. Tree.
I know.
A-N-O-L.
Oh, can see the face. Oh.
Frog.
Look here, look here.
Oh, he's looking at us.
Oh man.
It's kind of shaky, but
Of course, it's okay.
he's cool.
We love that tree, guys.
Yeah.
That's the tree that I like. You see now? You see why?
Yeah.
These guys are talking to that troop.
Yeah.
So in between troops, now they know how far they are. How much distance they have to respect to be ethical and not to interfere in the other monkeys troops' territory.
I see.
Howling and sounds, in this case, is the channel of communication that they picked up in the evolutionary path.
Oh, it's so good to be free. Your rules don't apply to me, no. I blow away all the pressure to measure up to what don't mean nothing. Oh, it's so good to be free, yeah. No slave to society, no
So this is a picture that we don't want to reproduce, a monkey eating a Pringle, because this is something we use in environmental education and campaigns not to bring this kind of snacks to national parks when you're visiting Costa Rica. No Pringles, no Pringles. Eating an iguana right there. Whoa. Iguana. You see?
Ew.
Eating an iguana.
I'm sure if I was
Eating on a
starving,
possum.
I'd do that.
A possum.
They don't only eat fruit.
All right. Okay. So monkeys are pretty wild in Costa Rica, guys. Most popular plants that we have in Costa Rica. Look at the monkey snack. Monkey snack. These are spiders. Oh, it's empty. I can break it. It's empty. But there were some spiders inside. So you always see the monkeys like looking, you know, and then and put them in their mouths. You
That's
know?
funny.
Monkeys eat the scorpions, for example. Capuchin monkeys eat the scorpions. Squirrel monkeys eat the scorpion. This is super medicinal. This part here is actually something you can actually use in the forest. You know, make sure it's nice and clean, and you just chew it.
Oh.
You don't eat it. The juice is great for your stomach. It's great for medicinal intestinal parasites removing.
Oh, wow.
You know, without going to the doctor and get some pills from the pharmacy.
Yeah.
Good.
It's called Quassia amara. It's super bitter.
Bitter.
Oh yeah.
I want to chew on some.
Quassia
Can I get some?
amara. Scientific name. There you go.
Amara.
Quassia amara, known as amargo, bitter hash, bitter wood, hombre grande.
Oh, it's very big.
They're not scared of humans.
We kill them with the cameras.
I don't need the look or the trend. I'll be the least cool of my friends. You can have all that. I won't please the pack, 'cause I'm free to be whatever I choose to be. Oh, it's so good to be free, letting life roll with such ease, yeah. What used to cause me to stress out, I'm less now, 'cause that stuff don't own me. Oh, I'm finally free.
¿Cómo se llama?
Jícaro.
Jícaro. Can I eat it?
No, just smell it.
No.
Don't eat it.
Why?
I mean, people
not?
eat it, but it's not the best.
It doesn't taste good? Try it, Ada.
There's not much flesh.
Yeah, it's just the pulp.
Not much taste. Yeah, but it's not like bad, you know?
Not bad. Jícaro.
The tour is done. Now I'm going to the beach. Oh, by the way, that's toilet and shower facilities here. All right. I found a shade, so I think I will sit here. Beach, I'm back. Let's go. Come on. Woo-hoo. I'm not that safe. Look at the water. I have to put myself up there at least. See? It just went up there. This bridge is wheelchair friendly, but it doesn't have any shade. I'm very happy with the tour today because finally I can see a sloth. The beach here is okay. Maybe I have too much expectation, or Mexico has too many nice beaches already. Alright guys, that's it for me. If you like this video, could you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? I'll see you next time. Bye! In the next episode, we will visit one of the 8 active volcanoes in Costa Rica, Volcan Poas. We will also see some giant blue butterflies and hike to the waterfalls. I will also have a job trial at the oldest coffee farm in San Jose. How much you gonna pay me?
Al, come over here, make the test, and then I'm gonna let you know.
I'm tickled pink that things aren't going my way, 'cause that would be boring. Spend my last cent on cheese and champagne. What a wonderful morning.